When I first saw the One More ANC announced last year, I really wanted to get my hands on one, and today I finally got the opportunity to hold one in my hands and try them out. Personally, this is one of the more anticipated earbuds that I'm personally super excited to give it a try, and with the specs and capabilities, I'm so excited to let you know if they are any good. Welcome to a review of the One More True Wireless ANC. Hello, my name is Sean and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, I do a lot of tech reviews as well as unboxing, and if that is something that interests you, do consider subscribing to this channel, leave a thumbs up on this video, as well as share this video to all your friends around. And with that said, let's get on with a review of the One More ANC. So these earbuds are graciously sent to me by One More Malaysia for review, and although these earbuds were sent out to me, I will still be providing my honest opinion so you know what you're getting into before buying these earbuds. The One More ANC retails for about US $199, and that is about 800 Malaysia ringgit, but you can usually get them at a discounted price, and currently One More on Lazada is selling this at 699 Malaysia ringgit. So if you're interested in getting these earbuds, do check out some of my links in the description below, and it'll definitely help out the channel a lot. So the One More ANC is built like a luxury sports car. Everything about it is about quality and every aspect of it is built without compromise. The case of the earbuds is made of a metal-like plastic, very smooth and has a nice weight to it, and the case comes in a gunmetal grey color that looks super premium, with the One More logo at the top, and from a design perspective, these are superb. Plus, One More didn't just use white for the font, but more a bronze-like white, which complement the case really well. So flipping it to the back, you get a nice USB-C charging port, and when you plug it in, the LED indicator in the front will light up in either red, orange or green to tell you the battery percentage of the case. The flat surface of the bottom of the case means that the earbuds comes equipped with a wireless charging coil, so slap it onto any Qi certified wireless charger and you're good to go. So speaking of the lid, One More gave it an ultra smooth and weighty opening action, and it feels amazing opening this case, and the earbud sits nice and handsomely inside the case and reminds me of the style of the original Edifier TWS NB. And if you check out the earbuds, it does have the same shape as the One More color buds that we've previously looked at, but slightly bigger, beefier, and have more of a premium presence compared to the color buds. The most striking design feature of the earbuds is the carbon fiber weave at the front, and these are not your cheapo carbon fiber look. These are actually polished to a high shine. Not sure whether these are real or not, but I think it definitely looks amazing. So on the surface here, you get another One More branding as well as an orange mic grill, which is really nice, which is like the key accent color of these earbuds. And speaking of mic grills, there's also another one right at the tip of the earbuds, which points directly to your mouth. And at the back of it, you get a multi-function button for all your media controls. So flipping it around, you also see a very beautiful ear tips as well as that orange accent color. And behind that, there is also an in-ear infrared sensor for the auto play or pause feature. So overall, the build of this earbuds is seriously impressive. The seams, the finish, and everything just simply looks superb. So without ANC, this earbud gives you a pretty decent 6 hours of continuous playback time and a total of 22 hours with the charging case. And with ANC, it drops to about 5 hours and a total of 18 hours with the case. Pretty normal for today's ANC earbuds, and the earbuds takes only about 1 hour to fully charge and even comes with a quick charge feature, so 15 minutes of charging gives you an additional 2 hours of playback time. So these earbuds were well spec'd, and for starters, you get a Qualcomm QCC3034 Bluetooth 5.0 chipset that supports aptX, AAC, and SBC audio codec and should give you all the audio performance you need for a modern earbud. These earbuds are however not IP rated, since I guess all of those open ports are not the best for moisture, but then again most modern ANC earbuds should already come with some form of moisture protection. These earbuds also come supported with Qualcomm's True Wireless Stereo Plus, so using either side independently is a breeze, but do note that if you enable in-ear detection, audio will pause for a bit when you remove either side from your ears, but pressing play again will continue playing your music on the earbuds. Lastly, there is no multi-point connectivity on these earbuds, so you can still connect them to multiple devices, just not at the same time. So for all One More app, it's pretty much very standard across, and diving in at the front page, you see that the battery indicator is showed for the left and right earbuds, and below that you also get controls for 2 levels of ANC, which is mild and strong. So you can just adjust this, mild, there's no in-between point, so you can just go either strong, mild, or you can turn them off. So moving down a bit, you can also toggle whether or not to have pass-through mode. So this is essentially the ambient mode. So if you click it, ANC will turn off and ambient noise will come on. So at the bottom here, you can also select whether or not to have smart playback. So inside here, you can choose to either auto pause only or auto pause and play. And at the bottom here, you also get to update your firmware of your earbuds. And with the latest update, you see a THX certification indicator there. And because the One More is so good that it passes the rigorous certification requirements of THX. One more feature I really want to highlight is the smart burn-in feature. So if you click at the top here, and you get basically most of the functions that you see outside. But what you get extra inside here is the smart burn-in feature. So if you haven't already known, most earbuds would require to go through a burn-in process before it really starts to warm up and sound good. So One More lets you do it over a period of about 12 hours, and you can play and it will start to burn in the process. It will tell you how many more hours to go. So you can just leave this on and let it run overnight, and you get a properly burn in earbuds. So that's basically all of the controls you get with the One More app. So ANC on the One More ANC works as advertised, but again I must stress that you need to get a good fitting ear tips before any of this ANC makes sense. So the earbuds comes with One More's Quiet Max technology, which uses dual driver sound reproduction technology, precise audio tuning, dual band ANC, and wind noise reduction, all in one big suite to give you that ultimate experience in ANC. So all of those tech sounds amazing, but how does it work in real life? Well, the ANC works pretty similar to the AirPods Pro and the Sony WF-1000XM3. General ANC is really impressive, and with the strong settings, most of the low humming ambient noise is mostly cancelled. But my benchmark is always my noisy fan, and these seem to still let a little bit of that noisy fan hum through. The Liberty Air 2 Pro that we recently looked at did really well with the fan and the Bose QC earbuds as well. I literally don't hear it anymore. The pass-through mode is also really nice, very naturally amplifying the ambient noise without feeling it's digitally amplified. So ultimately, if Bose manages to cut about 90% of ambient noise and the Soundcore Liberty Air 2 manages to cut about 85% of ambient noise, the One More ANC will cut out about 80% ambient noise, similar to the Sony and AirPods Pro. So sound performance is one thing I'm truly looking forward to with these earbuds, and all the tech that One More has poured into these, I must say, they really sound good. So let's get the tech out of the way first. So these earbuds come with a hybrid driver, so one dynamic driver and one BA driver. It also comes with a dedicated high-res DSP chip, which most modern higher-end earbuds or headphones also comes with. So these earbuds also support aptX, is THX certified, and is tuned by the legendary Luca Binardi. So all of that sounds impressive. But what does it mean in layman terms? So in practice, these sound great. It sounds really high resolution, definitely no doubt about that. And to some songs on Spotify, you can actually hear the flaws in the music itself because of that lower bitrate. Bass on these earbuds are really good but well balanced. They are strong, thumpy, the mids and highs and vocals are all also very satisfying. Soundstage wise is also okay, not the widest I've heard, and does feel normal like most in-ear earbuds do at this size. One point that I think is worth mentioning is that they don't go as loud as some earbuds do. For me, it's plenty loud, but I do notice I'm hovering between 70 or 80% most of the time. So if you enjoy loud music, this might not be for you. Call quality on this is also very good for modern earbuds and gives you good quality sound in quieter, noisy environments. Generally, ANC earbuds do suppress background noise well, but in the case of the One More ANC, some background noise still does leak through. Anyway, let's take a listen to the call quality test of these earbuds. So this is a test to see if the One More ANC is a good earbuds for making phone calls. So this is me speaking in a relatively quiet environment, and this is the call quality that you can expect. So what I'm going to do now is to turn on a simulated background noise so you can hear a difference. So now there is a simulated background noise playing in the background, and this is the call quality that you can expect from these earbuds. So what do you think of the call quality? Let me know in the comment section down below. With this version of Bluetooth 5.0, watching videos on YouTube and Netflix is really enjoyable and there's practically no delay. Playing games, however, does have a tiny noticeable delay and is definitely not one you use for competitive gaming. Anyway, let's take a look at the latency performance of these earbuds. So the One More ANC does provide you with pretty comprehensive controls for all your media needs. So in order to control your volume, simply press once on either side of the earbud. So press right once and it'll slowly increase the volume, and press left and it'll slowly decrease the volume. To play or pause media or pick up phone calls, double tap on either side of the earbuds and it will play or pause your media or pick up phone calls. To skip tracks forward, press and hold the right earbuds for about 2 seconds and it will skip your tracks forward. And to skip backwards, press and hold the left earbuds for 2 seconds and it will skip backwards. So in order to call out your assistant, triple tap on either side of the earbuds and it will pause your media and call out your assistant. So there you go. So in order to toggle between the different ANC modes, simply double tap on the touch sensor surface of either side of the earbuds and it will toggle you between ANC on, ANC level 2, pass-through modes, as well as turning off the ANC. So those are some of the key features you get and controls with the One More ANC. So in my opinion, with this price, this is a pretty solid pair, and especially if you value good sound quality in earbuds. And I think with that THX certification, most consumers will be very happy to make that a conversation piece. Not many earbuds today have that certification. So that is it for this review. If you find this video helpful, smash that thumbs up button, share this video everywhere, and if you haven't yet subscribed, do consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.